about both fractions and percentages which are very frequently used, like half. Half is 50% or 50% is half. 50% of A, we are just supposed to calculate half of A, that is A by 2. 1 by 3, 33.33%. And this, I'll ask you to use it very often. Wherever you see 33.33%, always use 1 by 3. 1 by 4, 25%. 1 by 5, 20%. And use it either way around. 20%, just calculate x by 5 or 1/5 of that particular variable, you'll get 20% of that. 1 by 6 is 16.67%. Now the important one, 1 by 7, that is 14.2857%. I have taken 4 digits after decimal because all the 6 digits in 1 by 7 are recurring. That means after 7, again you will have 142857, 142857. You will find this many a times they are asking you in simplification question also, 142857, bar on that recurring number, which means 1 by 7. Now with 1 by 7 is 14.2857, 2 by 7 is 28.57, like 14 double. 3 by 7 is, all the answers are here in these 6 digits itself. 3 by 7, 3 into 14 is 42. You will get the answer here as 42.85%. 4 by 7 is 57.14%. 5 by 7 is 71.42%. And 6 by 7 hence would be 85.71%. You can see that all these 6 numbers are moving in rotation. 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. 1 by 7 is 14.28. 2 by 7 is 28.57. Then 42.85. 57.14, 71.42 and 85.71. So please try to remember at least 1 by 7 and its integrity, because it would be of great help when asked. Like 4 by 7 can be written as 15.14. You can see it is 15.14 and 14 means 1 by 7. So in some question it would be given that calculate the percentage 57 1 by 7 percentage of 2100 is something like this. Now 57 1 by 7, we need to understand that 1 by 7 is 0.14, that is 57.14%, which is nothing but they are asking us to calculate 4/7 of the given number. Now 4/7 of the given number is 1200. So if we are comfortable with these kind of fractions and their conversion to percentage and vice versa, our life will actually become very easy while solving questions of percentages. Moving ahead on the same fractions and percentages, 1 by 8 is 12.5%. 1 by 9, the famous one again, 11.11%. Like 4 by 9 is 44.44%. It would be given like 4 by 9 percentage of something is this. So we need to understand that instead of calculating the entire percentage divided by 100 into that variable, it's always simple to get it converted into fraction and then calculate. 1 by 10 is 10%. 1 by 11, again the famous one, 9.09%. 1 by 9 is 1111. 1 by 11 is 9.09, that is 09.09. So 7 by 11 is 9 into 7, that is 63.63%. Fair enough. Now 1 by 12 is 8.33%. 1 by 13, calculator value would be something like 7.6869. 7.7% is fair enough for 1 by 13. 1 by 14 is half and double, that is 7.14%. 1 by 15, the famous one, symbol of devil, 6.66%. 1 by 16, half of 1 by 8, 6.25%. 1 by 17, a prime number, so we need to remember this, 5.88%. 1 by 18 is 555, 5.55%. 1 by 19, 5.5, 5.25%. And 1 by 20 as 5%. At least we should remember how to convert fractions from 1 by 1 to 1 by 20 into percentages, because these will always help us in calculation, especially 1 by 3, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 11. These all are of great help in calculations. Moving ahead on this masterclass on percentage,